How'd you like to have one of these things chasing after you? Ouch. Ouch. This here is a Delta Dart. Look at how beautiful that is. You know, this is the fastest single-engine aircraft in history. Still holds the record. Fastest single-engine jet aircraft in history. The Delta Dart. $1,600 miles an hour. I think that's around Mach 2. Mach. I think Mach is around 1,090 feet per second at sea level. That one, you know, you strip one of these F-15s down, take all the unnecessary weight off them, they'll hit Mach 3. 3,000 feet per second. That's a mile in under 2 seconds. Of course, they have to get way up there to do that where there's not much air resistance. Gotta love airplanes. I think airplanes are like the pinnacle of human achievement, technological achievement. And they're so fun to look at.